Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can change the color of your tables and spreadsheets in your Google Docs mobile application. So let us get started. Alright guys, so right from the get-go there is no direct way how we can change the table color or the color for the table itself in your Google Docs mobile documents, but there are other ways how you can customize the color of your table content. For example, what you want to do guys is, for instance, you can access your document with the table as you can see here now, and simply what you want to do is highlight your entire table. Tap into one cell, for example. After that, expand that box here by tapping into one of these blue handles and simply highlight the entire table just like that, so that now it covers all cells. So what you want to do is, for example, change the text color or the highlight color for the given table. You can do that by simply navigating to the text and the table formatting in the bottom right corner by tapping into that A button. And after that, simply customize your table and its format. For example, swipe down and here under text, you may, for instance, tap into the text color and select a different text color, as you can see now. That's one option. Or you can change the highlight color, for instance, by tapping into highlight here. As you can see, usually the highlight color is none, but you can switch to, let me go with that one here, for instance. And that's also an option, guys. What you want to do after that is find out if you'd like to use, for example, the page setup feature to change the color for the entire document, like we see in that example document here. This won't change the color for your table specifically, but for entire document. So to do that, tap into these three dots in the top right corner. From here, navigate to page setup and tap into page color. And if you'd like to apply a color for your entire document, guys, simply select it here. Let me go that one here. You can choose one of these colors below. Return to the previous menu, guys, and there you go. Now the table color has been changed, but as previously mentioned, the color for the entire document will be affected by that page setup change. So guys, that's the only way how you can change the color of your tables in Google Docs Mobile, at least as of 2025. Hopefully they will add that feature to the mobile version Google Docs pretty soon. However, you can change the table color anytime separately using the web version of Google Docs, and after that simply save your document on your device and access it through Google Docs Mobile to see the changed color for your table specifically, guys. So that's also an option you might consider here. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.